Hello, in front of me I have Samsung S25 and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the font size on this device. Okay, so we need to open up the settings. Once we are here, we need to simply scroll down a little bit until we find the display settings. Now again, scroll down, find font size and style, click on that, and below you can see that we have this bar and we can adjust the font size. Simply grab this small white ball and select which size you want. So, for example, this is the minimum value and this is the maximum. Adjust the font size, release your finger, and now you can exit the settings. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.